everything. Mostly how people do it, they talk to their companies. If you are friendly with the company, which is something difficult, yeah. Deals are there if you have money. But if you don't have money, guys, it's going to be very difficult for you. But if you have money, deals are there, and you're going to get
what's up, beautiful people?
Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team, Brian. If you're new to our channel, do it as sweet. It kindly show us love by subscribing and clicking on that red subscribe button. Like our videos, guys. Don't forget to comment. And I really appreciate, my videos are doing well, so I really appreciate for that. And but I checked one thing, 25 of my subscribers are watching my video. So guys, I want you to at least reach 50% or 80%, so that we can move forward together on our road to 15,000 subscribers. So today I'm here in Villaggio. You can see my background is wow. So it's outside in the park, and it's a good opportunity for me to talk about something that you guys have been asking me, like how to make it to Europe or America from here in Qatar. Yeah, that is a question that you are asking me. I've not researched quite well on that, but I'm going to tell you roughly what I know, and what I've tried to gather around from this recruitment, the immigration agencies, and the people that I know have made it out of this country from here in Qatar. Guys, I'm going to be very honest with you. If you don't have a degree, it's going to be very hard for you, because here, unlike our countries where we have, these deals to go to these countries, the only countries that are going to be very easy with you without your degree or your diploma or associate diploma is Poland. Very easy to go from here. It takes around 4 months process if you meet the right agencies. You can make it from here to Sweden, and you can to some extent you can make it from here to Germany. But for these countries, US, Canada, UK, I will show you how you can make it from here, but via your country. Remember, when you're here, you can get money so easily because you are 100% you're working, 100% you are earning salary, 100% you're saving. So if you make your savings and you gather some good significant amount of money, and you get the right people who will advise you to get the right agencies back at home, you're going to pay, fasten the process, maybe take an emergency, go home, deal with things, come back here, wait your visa, then you travel. That is how you make it from here. But to make it from here direct, like you want to visit the American embassy in Qatar, it's going to be very difficult for you, almost impossible even to get an invite, because here they look on the status of yourself. Are you, the job you're doing, the kind of salary you're earning is going to matter, the kind of where you work, your company and everything. Mostly how people do it, they talk to their companies. If you are friendly with the company, which is something difficult, guys, they talk to their company, like to elevate your status, that is your visa status. If you are as a cleaner and you have money and everything, and you maybe want to advance and go out there, you talk to your company to elevate your visa from the cleaner status to maybe a managerial status, so that it can increase your profile when you are going to the embassy. They are going to be convinced that you have the money and you have the potential to travel out to that country that you want to go to. Australia is difficult because Australia mostly takes students, unlike other countries. Canada is difficult because Canada also is a process. You have to learn the English test. So if you are here, guys, what I can only advise you to prepare yourself if you want to go to these big countries. Forget about Poland and Sweden that I've talked about, or Norway. If you want to go, for example, to Canada, United States of America, to Australia, do the IELTS. What's the name of that, Malik? I'm here with Malik. It's IEL, the English test, in another word, in a short form, the English test. So plan yourself, do the English test here. Then, do all these things, If, for example, in Canada, people don't know. If you want to travel to Canada, Germany, you can do it by yourself, guys. You don't even need an agency. There's a lot of information that you miss if you cannot go to YouTube and do your research. If you cannot make Google your friend, you do your research. There are a lot of chances for you to go for yourself. If you are interested, you can do it, guys. Do the English test, go to online, evaluate yourself. If you have to these papers, do it. Go through your pair visas, go through your pair deals, go through education. If you can get a university there or a college that is willing to sponsor you, talk to them, guys. Do the preparation slowly. Don't hurry about these things, guys, and you can get yourself there. And I've talked about the Poland and everything. If you want to go Poland, look for these agencies. They're there. They're going to take you within 4 months duration of waiting, and it's costing around 10,000 Qatar riyal. It's also expensive, guys, but you get a work permit. So For these other countries, complicated. Do it as I've told you, because I personally visited an immigration agencies. I went there, I talked to them, they told me what I needed, and they were very honest with me, guys, that a lot of immigration agencies are going to lie to you, but at the end of it, you're not going to make it, guys. They're going to lie to you. They're going to tell you, oh, it's very simple, you're going to take it to Canada. But at the end of the day, they may take your money without you going to Canada. And it will be so long. You know, there's nothing hard like there's nothing hard like trying to ask for your money, like for compensation after things have gone wrong. It will take you a lot of time. So if you want, you have that, because a lot of people ask me about that. I've been avoiding it. I don't remember your name. You've been asking me so frequently. I've been avoiding it because I didn't want to. I didn't have like some credible things to share with you. But guys, if you want to make it there, that is the only way out. Research, do, ask around, ask your people home. The deals are there back at home. For example, I'm from Kenya. Deals are there if you have money. But if you don't have money, guys, it's going to be very difficult for you. But if you have money, deals are there, and you're going to get a chance to visit these countries, guys. So anyway, guys, I think if you have any question, ask me down in the comment section. This is what I want to share to you, and it was very important, guys, to talk about it, because you may be scammed. Even here in Qatar, you can be scammed by these agencies. They're going to lie to you that they're going to take you there, and at the end of it, it will take a lot of processes. They're lying to you. At the end of it, it will fail. So take care. Be careful, guys, because yeah, it's not easy. It's not good to lose money, guys. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask down in the comment section, guys, and like our videos, share, and I'm really going to appreciate. See you guys in my next video.